Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to switch targets in Monopoly Go, especially when you're trying to focus on specific friends or rivals during events like heists or shutdowns. Let's jump right in. When you roll the dice in Monopoly Go and land on a heist or shutdown tile, the game automatically picks a random target from your friends or other online players. But here's the trick. You can actually switch targets before confirming the action. When the target's board appears on your screen, look for the circular arrow icon or a Change Opponent button, usually near the bottom or top corner of the screen. Tap that and Monopoly Go will shuffle to a new target. You can keep switching until you find the player you want to attack or raid. Keep in mind that sometimes during special events, the game limits how many times you can change your target, so use your swaps wisely. Also, if you don't have many friends added, your target pool will be smaller, so make sure to add more Monopoly Go friends to get more options. Once you've selected your target, tap to confirm and play your heist or shutdown normally. And that's it. That's how you switch targets in Monopoly Go. It's a simple feature, but it gives you more control, especially when you're aiming for those event points or revenge raids. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing who your favorite target is to raid. See you in the next one.